Power BI architecture is a fascinating journey through data. It all begins with diverse data sources. Think Excel, SQL databases, or even cloud services like Azure. Once we connect, Power Query steps in, transforming raw data into something meaningful. Here, we filter, group, and apply business logic, ensuring our data is clean and ready for analysis. Next, we load this refined data into the Power BI data model, structuring it into tables and establishing relationships, like linking sales to customer data. Now comes the magic of DAX, where we create measures and calculated columns to derive insights, from totals to percentages. Finally, we visualize our findings through reports and dashboards, presenting data in engaging formats like charts and maps. Once polished, we publish to the Power BI service, enabling collaboration and automatic refreshes. This architecture not only enhances data comprehension, but also empowers decision-making. Understanding this flow is key for any data scientist looking to harness the full potential of Power BI.